Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about CA Final. The CA Final examination is the third and the final stage of Chartered Accountancy course conducted by ICAI. It's a highly challenging examination designed to assess a candidate's comprehensive knowledge and practical skills in various aspects of accounting, finance, tax, auditing, and business law. So let's get into the specifics. As we talked about the exam cycle and frequency even in CA intermediate video, the CA final exam also has a similar cycle and frequency. Now the CA final exam is conducted 3 times a year compared to 2 times, which was in the old pattern or earlier or in the earlier attempts. Now these three times a year is basically conducted in the exam is basically conducted in the month of Jan, May and September. Previously this was actually held in May and November, but now it's being held 3 times a year, right? Now coming to the eligibility criteria, to be eligible for CA final exams, candidates must pass the CA intermediate exam. They should also complete the prescribed period of articleship, which is 2 years now. Additionally, they should also complete the training on IT, which is information technology and soft skills. And there is also a self-paced online learning module, which the candidates are expected to complete with a minimum of 50% marks after their CA intermediate, but prior to their CA final, right? Now, the exam pattern. So this is where it gets interesting. The exam is divided into 6 papers, 3 papers in each group, right? Now, group 1 consists of financial reporting, which is 100 marks. We have financial management, I'll just write FM here, and then we have auditing, assurance, ethics for another 100 marks. Then begins group 2, which covers basically your direct tax, 100 marks, indirect tax, another 100 marks, and then we have the integrated business solution, which is basically a case study exam, another 100 marks. Now the key features of exams include duration, which is going to be 3 hours for each of these papers, with an exception to IBS, which is going to be 4 hours. Besides IBS, all other exams are going to be 3 hours. Each paper will be of 100 marks. Now coming on to the question type. The question types are going to be 70% subjective and 30% would be objective, which is MCQs. The only exception will again be IBS, which is your paper 6. This will have 5 case studies, out of which you will be expected to attempt 4 case studies, each 25 marks, adding up to a total of 100 marks, right? Now, a couple of other tips. The passing criteria is something which is similar to CA intermediate. You will have to, or the candidate actually will be expected to score a minimum of 40% marks in each of these papers, and they will have to score a minimum of 50% marks in a group or both groups if you are appearing for both, or a single group if you are appearing for one group, right? Now, you can register for your CA final course by going to ICAI ICAI's self-service portal by uploading the requisite details and the documents and paying the necessary fees. And once you provide all the details, you will be provided with an acknowledgement which you can download and keep it with you for reference. Now, the pass percentage. Let's talk about the passing percentage. So the pass percentage for CA final exam varies. It depends upon the year of passing, and it can vary year over year, but it's a wide range, to be honest. It's somewhere between 99% to say 25% for individual groups or both groups combined. So it really depends upon the year of passing, but this has been the average in the last couple of years. So this pretty much covers the details around CA final exam. Once you give your CA final exam and you complete all these necessary trainings which are prerequisite to getting eligible for CA final, and once you get the passing certificate from ICAI, then you finally become a chartered accountant. So this covers our series on CA exams and CA exam patterns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video soon.